You won't believe what happened when I tried to drive my electric car across the country. No charger apps, no backup plans, a phone at 1% battery. Spoiler alert. I didn't die, but I did discover the secret that'll end range anxiety forever. Okay, real talk. If you've ever thought about getting an electric car, you've probably freaked out about running out of battery in the middle of nowhere. Like, am I gonna be that guy pushing a Tesla up a hill while people drive by filming me for TikTok? But here's the shocking truth. Range anxiety? It's basically a myth now. Stick around, cause I'm about to spill the tea on how to never fear running out of juice again. First off, let's talk facts. New electric cars can go 300 miles on a single charge. That's like driving from New York to nowhere near LA, but hey, it's still a lot. And charging stations? They're everywhere. There are now more charging spots than Starbucks in some cities. But wait, here's where it gets wild. Did you know your phone can find the next charger faster than you can say out of juice? Plus, even if you forget to charge, grocery stores, malls, gas stations, heck, I saw one at a taco truck. Still not convinced? Okay, I dared my friends to run an EV to zero, like actually 0%. And guess what? The car gave us so many warnings it was like my mom texting me at midnight. So here's the deal. Range anxiety is officially canceled. If you can charge your phone, you can charge your car. Oh, and if you've ever run out of gas in a regular car, drop a guilty in the comments. Want to see me try to road trip coast to coast in an EV with just $20 and a pack of gum? Smash the like button, subscribe for more wild experiments, and vote in the poll. Would you trust an EV on a 1000-mile trip? Pop-up poll sound emoji. And hey, if you made it this far, you're officially part of the No More Range Anxiety Club. Screenshot this, tag me, and I'll feature my favorites in the next video. Airhorn SFX confetti emoji. Wait, did you catch the hidden meme in this video? Go back and find it, I dare you. Peace out, and don't forget to charge your everything. End with meme laugh track, outro music.